some trades on very good trades on different pairs. Like Euro USD, we have a very strong support area, this one. And if you see on the left, there is the Fibonacci level of 38.2. There is a very good support of vertical line, vertical trend line. And this one, we have a 200 EMA of moving average, which indicates the price is an uptrend. So this is a very strong support. If we have a bullish candle on this area, there will be a good opportunity to go for a long trade. Or if price reverses from here and close above 78.6 area, this one also be a very good buying trade. Okay, next we have a USD JPY. There is a 78.6 Fibonacci area, which is very strong area. The price can take a pullback from here to this area, 261.8, and this support here 144.74. we can buy in this area USD JPY, and it will continue from here to this area 161.8. Okay, next pair we have USD CAD. Very bullish momentum. It should take a pullback small here in this area, and there should be evidence of going back with a bullish candle. We can also buy in this area USD CAD for the next move. USD JPY, it is a very good trade for the selling position, because there is a trend line, there is a moving average of downside. As you can see, there is a left 161.8 Fibonacci area. So there is a lot of evidence that price can be reject from here and go further down till this area 161.8 Fibonacci area. It's already been broken, but this is not a good setup for trade. Now also no, AUD JPY, it's supporting and holding the price this area, because there is 61.8 and there is a moving average. If price breaks this trend line and close above this area here, then we can go buy for it. EuroCAD, yes, there is if price comes in this area, the trend line uptrend, support 38.2 Fibonacci level, this area would be good for a buying opportunity. Euro GBP, it's a good one. I have already taken a short trade and it's in profit. It will definitely go till here, my target, because there is a support and 78.6 Fibonacci area. Euro New Zealand, I have already bought here this position, because it has completed its pullback, a short term, and closes above the support area. So my target is 161.8. this would be a nice trade, and I think they 312 pips. CAD JPY, if it closes above, very good trade for the buying. New Zealand CAD, no. New Zealand USD, no, because it has already been broken this area. This is not a good setup. That is it for now. Thank you very much. Keep trading, safe trading, and subscribe, like, please.